Let's look at case. What is the best way of explaining something than using an example? Look at this. It's from Northwind database. If I run it, I have this. I want to use case. Remember, this is the first column. This is the second column. I want to generate a third column before this here, before the from. What do I want to put there? I want to describe each of this value, each of the quantity. I want to describe each of this quantity. What I'm going to do, I will say, okay, if less than this quantity, put this in that place. Because what I'm doing here is everything will be dropped once, but I want to vary the description. I will call this one comment, something like comment, write a comment or note as a third column. So I will say case. I will say case. Why case? Case is when you want to do something that will be varying. A case is this, that. A case is that, this. Good. So this column I want to describe. Remember, I want to describe this quantity. So I will just put now when the quantity is, let me say, less than, let's say less than 20. So what should I put here when it's less than 20? Then I say, then you put this is less than 20. Okay. What if it is equals to 30? I say when quantity is equals to 20. So what should I put? Then you should put what? This is equal to 20. Okay. Is there any other thing? I say yes. When quantity is greater than 20, what should I put? I will say, okay, this is greater than 20. That is all right. Good. What if there's something that is here that does not fall into this group? What should I do? If I find something that doesn't fall into this group, use this one. Hence, this is out of range. Or I say, okay, this is not a number. What should I do now? I say end it now. End. Because I started with case. End it now. This is for the column. Then this one continues from this. If I run this now, let's see. Look at what I'm having. If I click on this, you see, all this one are less than 20, see? Less than 20. All less than 20. But this one is equal to 20, see? Equals to 20. Then all this one are greater than 20. And we don't have anything that is not a value here. If there was something that is null, it will tell you this is not a number. You understand this? But I think it is tedious to be doing what we have just done. We move this quantity here so that no need to repeat them again. So we just come here. When, okay, for instance, I can do something like this. When 2, just say what? This is 2. I don't care now is put anything. You can see he's giving me this because he's closing this one for me here, but I have another one here to show that it should escape this. It should recognize this. I put what? Backslash. Or you can simply put what? Double quotes. So no need to put that, but there's no need. Let it be all uniform. What will happen is that 1, 2, 3 are lucky. This name, this comment will be given. Any other one we what? Have this. Then we end. Let's see. If I click this, see, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. See, every other one's what? I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I know you won't do it like this. I'm just showing you how it operates. Okay? I don't care to the end. So case helps us what? Generate columns and help us to define in variation what we want to be there. How does it work? The first thing you should know is that the case go through all the condition, okay, and return a value when the condition is met. Okay, when it returns a value when the condition is met. That's the first thing. 2, once the condition is met, it will stop reading true. But if no condition is met or is true, it will return the ends. Remember, this was true. It gave it, and it found that the other condition, like 4, 5, 6, 7, did not meet all these condition. He used this one. So if he sees the condition, he follows suit. But if he see that the value does not meet the condition, he use the S. But if there is no S, assume I didn't put S here now, and no condition is met, it will return null. Let me explain that. I will put 200 here because there's no 200 here. 200 to make sure that no condition is met. Let me run it now. See? I click this. I don't care. See? Because there was no condition that was met, it's now using this S. Okay, good. What if there is no S here? What will happen? Let's run it again. Return null. You understand how it works? Hope you enjoyed this class. Thank you for viewing.